I'm right here, Kieran. What's up, Kieran? What's up, Morte? Who else is in here already? Morte, I see a lot more stocks. Blair's in here. Bro, I see a lot more stocks than the ones you've called out so far, so let's take a look at them real quick. So I got ear. You got ear. BBBY. I haven't even looked at BBBY. How does BBBY look like? $29. It hit another high. Dang, dude. We should have bought the dip yesterday. I guess this was a dip yesterday. Holy crap, back down to 18, all the way back up to 29, $10 a share. We should have bought the dip. We should have bought that dip. Okay, well, BBBY is on watch, but holy crap, this thing, I really have no idea. 35 is next. 35 is a high on the 4-hour chart. But this thing has also hit $44 before, $53 before on the daily, so I don't know. Okay, so I have HIL. This is probably not a stock that we're going to be looking at to trade. Yeah, not this one. BWV, you called it out. See this one as well. How does this yearly look like? Oh, a big old dead cat bounce. You know, these are the thing right now. You know, these are literally the strategy right now. So high of 367. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. Dead cat bounce. This is BWB. And this one looks like a really big dead cat bounce. This thing used to be even more than the other ones. I like was like 20 bucks. This one's dropping from $90, so definitely keep an eye on this one. BBIG, I think this is the IPO from yesterday. Yep, went up to 163. We'll see how it behaves. I wasn't that interested on this one yesterday, just because right out of the gate it wasn't ripping like they all do. But I mean, we'll keep an eye on it. 163 is a high, and obviously IPO. Oh wait, this one's not an IPO. Oh, this is the one that was like Austin Lewis. What's up, man? This is the one that was halted for like months. Now I remember. No wonder I don't. I was like, BBIG sounds very familiar. I feel like I've traded BBIG for so before. Now I'm catching on. Now I'm catching on. Okay, well, worth keeping an eye on it then. APRN. This was yesterday's stock. This one finally opened up. Yeah. Now I remember. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, I feel like I've traded this stock before. I was like, BBIG sounds very familiar. So APRN passed the 200 moving average, kind of still consolidating above the 200 moving average. So 200 moving average is down here somewhere in the 550s. This stock, I think I traded this stock yesterday, but it got to this area somewhere around here where it just would not break out. So all of this area, look at this. It just wouldn't break out, break out, break out, break out. So it was very choppy. And I think I ended up losing money on this thing because of that. It was pretty choppy through that whole thing. So I'll keep an eye on it, but I'm not very excited about this stock here. So I'll put it way back here, way back here. Dang, we should have really bought that BBY dip. That's crazy. What's up, John? QNRX, I briefly looked at this one, and this one looks good. Another dead cat bounce. I think this is that stock that halted several times towards the end of the day and ran up to like $28. Yeah, it ran up to 28.11. But look at this. Ran from $3 to $28, $30, and then went back all the way down to $4, and now it's trying to move again. This is crazy. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Buyers make their money, sellers lose their money. Buyers make their money, sellers make their money. Ear, Ear was a stock that popped up yesterday. I literally was here all day again, and I walked away within the last 15-30 minutes of market close. I was like, you know what, I'm done today. I think that's when SPY dumped. And then this stock popped up, and if you would have bought it any time then yesterday, you would have been up today, gapped up. And this one has, I think, pretty good room. To the 200 moving average is up to 376. Next resistance on Ear is not until like 325. It's on a big downtrend. This one looks pretty good so far too. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad. Good morning, Urban Trades. Good morning. Ear had news on FDA approval for their hearing aids yesterday. Oh, I get it. Ear. Yeah, I knew that. Out of BWB with a 150 profit and 225 out 250. Dang, Morty already started up his morning early. SPRC. I do not have that much interest on SPRC. Wow, popped up to 120 though. Been keep an eye on an SPRC, but I guess we do have that high of 159 2 days ago. So we'll keep an eye on that, but not the prettiest looking chart. But you never know, you never know. And then the last one I have is JCSE. Also doesn't look bad. It looks like it started rallying into the close yesterday, kind of like Ear, and then still gapped up again. So it looks like closed somewhere in the 210s, 18s, 20s, and it's up to 260. So 40 cents a share. Daily, again, another dead cat bounce. Holy crap, look at this. Straight from $12 to $3, and now it's trying to bounce back. The good thing about that is I don't see any resistance. Not until $6.99, $7. Unless you're looking back left this way. Then I could see 363, so we're not even there yet. So this one definitely another watch. But I'm telling you guys, this is the theme. This is the theme. Dead cat bounces. That's all we're seeing recently. That's all that's been working recently. Good morning, team. Good morning, Edward. Just a heads up, I'm having a lot of people talking about shorting BWB around 4. Ooh. Why do they want to short at 4? I know why they want to short at 4, because 4 is that previous double top and that moving average right there. So can we get those people filled? Yeah, I see what you're saying, Ape Trades. Wait, VRU. Oh, VRU is probably still ripping through highs. Well, it still is kind of, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I had a lucky trade yesterday on SPY. On SPY, I shorted this thing. I bought puts on this thing at 431. Right there. I kid you not. And I held them. I'm still holding them. But this is a simple technical analysis on SPY. So watch this, guys. Looking at the 90-day 5-hour. Oh, I can't see very well on here. Okay, looking at the 90-day 5 minutes time frame on SPY. What do I see? I see a rising wedge, right? I see a rising wedge. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter to the point where it's actually going to rip out of there, right? And a rising wedge is going to probably break to the downside. Now, I will be honest, I shorted it right here on this day, and then I shorted it again this day. But, so rising wedge up to that trend line on the top side, and then if I zoom out to the daily, this matches even better. If you zoom out to the daily, you could see we have a downtrend resistance as well. So my dotted white line, we have one touch here, two touches there, and then this time it literally, that rising wedge went up to that resistance, went up to that downtrend line, and went straight into the 200 moving average. So that's one downtrend, two the SMA, and three the rising wedge with the smaller time frame rising wedge on the way up. So I tried it yesterday here. I think these calls, at one point I was down like $100 up here, but by this move down here, these were back to break even, and these were up like 60-70% somewhere through here. So I can't wait to see what they're up at open today. I might sell a few. I might buy them back, or I mean, I might sell a few. Yeah, I said that right the first time. But I think this thing might keep running down. I think this thing might keep running down, so why can't I zoom out as much as I had it earlier? I mean, look at this huge uptrend we had. I at least see this thing pulling back to 420s. Yeah, you're right, Zach. That's exactly what I was saying. The 200 moving average right there. So, yeah, that was like a triple resistance. Like, oh, Jesse, you thinking a lot to go too? I wasn't able to call it out, but I mean, tell you guys, for one, I was off stream when I bought that. Maybe, I don't remember. Oh, I had to be because it was later in the day. Um, but yeah, pretty simple technical analysis. Look at the bigger picture, find the smaller time frame to find your entry. All right, back to this. I got a good one for you. I took a short yesterday afternoon on BBBY at 27.30, covered for a loss at 27.70, and took a $40 loss. Then it topped at 28, and after the market down, I could have had like 900 profit on that short. Dang, that sucks. John uses trade 0. I did take a short on BWB perfect 5-minute flag here. Yeah, kind of back down to that 330s area. Let me see, Blair. Thanks, bro. I saw your your text, Ape Trace. Yeah, that sucks. So you gotta you almost have to snipe the bottom on all of these things, but we're getting better. We're getting better at them. Morning. Did you go over QNRX? QNRX is that one stock that ran up to 30. This is the one that I call wash and repeat. Wash and repeat. Why? Because buyers took it from $4 all the way to 28. They made their money, and then literally 2 days later, it was back down to $3 because it halted all the way down and flushed. And now we're trying it again, right? So buyers make their money, sellers make their money, buyers trying again, make their money, push it back up. It's just wash and repeat. Um, Yesterday, I did take a short on Fubo again as well, but you know I can't short the actual shares, so I shorted with puts, but I didn't make as much as I could have. I jumped in a little too early. I think I jumped in on this play at 720 somethings. So I top ticked this move here. I was like, there's no way I top ticked it. and then pulled down. I was in the green, and then I held through all this move here, and then I closed it down there. But small puts, I think I put like $150 or something, and I think I made like 50 bucks. That's pretty cool, pretty cool. But maybe Fubo, keep an eye on it. You know, I think Fubo is another stock that people are targeting just because of the short interest. And with BBBY coming all the way back up and hitting a new high pre-market, I would not be surprised if another one of these high float, short interest stocks keeps moving along. And Fubo is right there. I mean, yesterday it already made a move from $4 to 8, 100%. Can I explain a dead cat bounce? Dead cat bounce is when a stock is way up here, like this, and like say this is $100 up here. I got about a minute. This is about $100 up here, right? And short attacked this stock, and it literally went all the way back down. Or let's do it like this, right? So the price is here, let's say $90. This right here is 100, and then out of nowhere, this thing just flushes down to like 10 bucks, $2, right? So a dead cat bounce is basically saying it's literally so dead, it's got to at least bounce, a little dead cat bounce, right? So it's so dead, it's so beaten down, it's so much lower than it used to, you might expect just a tiny little bounce. And what is that bounce? Shorts either taking advantage of all this move here and locking in their profits, so they have to buy down here. So they sold through here, sold through here, sold through here, so they have to buy to cover, which buying means that price is going to go up. And then buyers are like, you know what, this is too beaten down. It's at $2 when it used to be 100. So I expect a little of a dead cat bounce and expect a little push up on this stock. And that usually happens with stocks that are being down like crazy. Quick examples are going to be like ILAG. ILAG is a dead cat bounce. Look at the daily one. Look at the daily chart on ILAG. Stock went from $26 all the way down to $1.65. What did you expect it to go down to zero? Probably not, right? It's probably going to push back up to something, and it did. It pushed back up to $8. All right, we're live, guys. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Guerrero. Good morning, Timothy, Fat Pound Fisher over on YouTube. What are we looking at? So it looks like trade out of the gate might have to be BWB. Had a 5-minute flag, and there it goes. There goes BWB. There goes BWB. Big gap up on this thing. This is the one we're looking for $4. This is the one we're looking for $4. So we'll keep an eye on this one and see what it wants to do. I hate when they just rip out of the open like this. Good morning, CryptoWire. Good morning. Brad Rogers. Good morning, Brad. I've been doing okay. We've had some plays that we jumped in perfect, and then somehow a few of them wouldn't work for us, but we've had some decent plays. Well, BWB already ripped to highs, almost $4 already too. I do want to see a 3.7 retest maybe. I'm looking to buy the dip on BWB. I want to move up to $4. That was not a dip at all. That was not a dip at all. APRN kind of doing the same thing though. APRN kind of trying this. Oh my gosh. These are the ones that I just need to not be like scared to take that trade and just jump in it. Because there it goes BWB. Look at this thing. This thing just squeezed up to 450. This thing just ripped. Look at this thing. Already a dollar move right there. Yeah, you pulled too much. This thing pulled up way too much. I don't know where to take the next trade though. Keep an eye on EAR. Keep an eye on JCSE. Both of them trying to kind of make a little move. Oh, I forgot to check my SPY puts. I am kind of curious how much they are. Oh my god. From $200 to $450 each. But do you think BWB has momentum to keep going? Dip back down to $4? Genus News. Okay, I see Genus. I see Genus. I see JCSE trying to make a run. JCSE trying to make a run to two highs. 309 as a highs. BBBY hit $30 exactly. Looking at JCSE, kind of pivot here at 284. EAR also trying. Rev also, what the heck? That means it'll be heavy resistance. No, I think he meant like people have calls for $45 right now open, which means they put money in that they think the stock is gonna hit $45. I think that's what he. That means people are anticipating it to go up to. Looking at EAR. EAR pivot kind of 250s as well. No trades for me yet. I would be interested on EAR, on JCSC, or maybe even VWB down to $4. All of these are kind of holding up this little pivot, so JCSC is kind of holding that little pivot here. I would not be opposed to taking a dip trade on this thing, maybe like 279-ish. On JCSE, maybe a pivot back down to like 277-ish. That closed way low there. I'm looking BWB. BWB is kind of holding this pullback here. I want to see maybe like a little flush down to $4 and see if we get that $4 touch and see if this thing wants to keep ripping. This thing ripped out of the open and it's consolidating 4 or 5 candles down. $1.7 triple top on EAR at 65. Yeah, 265. I see that. What are you guys thinking of BWB though down here? Trying to get kind of like a little flush to $4, retest it. Look at the volume on that first 5-minute candle compared to this one. Well, never mind, guys. Ear also broke that 265. Yeah, that was a right play on that one, Mersa. I was looking at kind of $4, but never gave me $4. INKT halted. This was that dip, I think, right there. So keeping an eye on BWB and ear. BWB, just to see if we break high of days, get $5 on this thing. Ear, that 265 pivots wants to hold, but we got stuck at 270. And then JCSC is still holding kind of this other bull flag here as well. Three stocks that I'm looking at. All these three stocks are here are the ones that I'm looking at. Waiting for one of these to rip and see if I can find a trade through high of day. JCSC looking pretty nice. Ear as well. Looking at ear now. 2.8 was the high on this thing. Maybe this 2.7 pivot hold. Looking at ear, I want to see this 270 pivot hold. Looking to see if ear wants to keep ripping up to $3 or something like that. Also, JCSC just ripped. Both of them did it at the same time. Both of them just ripped. BWB, man, is consolidating at the same area. If this thing flushes down to $4 or VWAP, I might grab some of this one. Ear and JCSC both still hitting highs. I took a trade on BWB down to 4 like I was saying that I was going to average in on this thing. So I'm in at $4 on BWB. I'm in at $4 on BWB. Stop in place of a break even. Took some profit. Perfect dip entry on this thing. You're red for a couple of pennies, but now it's working out a little bit. I want to see this stock really take off, which I don't know that it will. Ear kept going up. Dang. I got stopped out of BWB. Ear is the one that's approaching $3. Hold on, let's go look at ear. $3 on ear. $301 entry on ear. Okay, okay. I'm trying to get you filled here, sniper trades. We're trying to get sniper trades filled on this ear. We're looking for $3 on ear. I took that dip on ear. I'm waiting for ear to get up to $3. Waiting for, there we go. Ear waiting for the break of $3. Anticipating this break of $3. 298. I'm holding 1,500 shares for this break here. Trying to be patient here. Where's the break? There's $3. Can I get 301 and pull away? Can I get 301 and pull away? Can we get another attempt at $3 on this same candle? We have 10 seconds left. A lot of buyers come in on this candle. Either close right up to 3. Get the, no, we did not. Wow, $3 is strong. You guys know what that means. 301 entry, right? Oh no, Ape Trades internet went out. Okay, we're looking for if we're looking for ear $3 break again, and BWB is still flagging down here. Look at that. That was a perfect entry. Merso, you and I took this trade down here, right? Are you still in? Ear wants that $3 break. So ear broke $3. Small little break there, but let's keep watching it. There's the pull away. Retest of $3 maybe on ear. BWB, we had the perfect trade again, guys. BWB, we had the perfect trade again. INKT, I forgot about that one. Oh my god, INKT halted, double halted. Guerrero, did you get in on that one? INKT double halted on the way up. Anybody got in on INKT? CryptoWire 288 on paper with ear, JC, and BWB. Good job, good job. Too scary, yeah, I bet, dude. Ear's trying to hold $3 right now. Took a quick scalp on ear for $32. There you go, John. $3 right here. Quick $3 test. So BWB, that pivot held, but it's not really quite ripping. I wanted to see that thing rip all the way back up to $5. I will say this thing, I got in at $4 way down here. The lowest it hit was 3.94, 6 cents on it. Let me see. Ears still kind of holding the $3 pivot. And then JCSE kind of had a nasty little flush, 2 or 3, but it kind of held VWAP still and it's trying to recover. Too scary. Maybe I'll wait for a pullback to enter the bounce. What you say? INKT. Let me look at INKT a little bit better. APRN, that's the stock yesterday that I was like, I don't really like this stock. I lost on it yesterday. It didn't trade cleanly, and today it's not really doing much. INKT though, INKT double halted up. Where's this thing headed to? It's at the 200 moving average right now, literally on it. $4.96 next, $6 next. This one I didn't even realize this is another kind of dead cat bounce too. Halted at 45.36, so this should be live at 50.36, so in about a minute and 20 seconds. Genus was the other one that somebody brought up. Kind of, not really moving. JCSC is the one that wants to hit another high for now. Ear pulling back. BWB off that pivot should have ripped, and it didn't. BBBY, I'm eating my popcorn and watching this battle. Look at the 5-minute on BBBY and look at that uptrend that it just lost. From yesterday's big sell-off to all of pre-market slows today, it just lost a pretty big uptrend. JCSC $3.10 is a nice little pivot. Got to get over 310. Why 310? 310 was a pre-market high, and then kind of got stuck here. So looking for 310. What is that for, John? Ooh. BWB still holding that low down there. Ear flagging maybe. The only thing I don't like is the 5-minute on ear. Look how extended it is. Extended and topping tail on it. It was for the flush on BBY. I see it. Oh, INKT is live. INKT is live. Where is this thing going? To the ground. Back where it came from. Halt up, halt all the way down. No, I don't know, but shorted BBY yesterday and made 430 paper. Dang. Okay, now we wait. I don't know how. Let me see. I made 65 on BWB. I made 270 on ear. I made 20 on JCSC. That's it. So about $370 maybe. God, my calls are up so much. Sometimes I just straight up get lucky, guys. Like, I mean, yeah, I saw that technical analysis on SPY, but these things are over 100% return already, and I'm still holding. Ear flagging 1 minute still. Do we think this is an ear flag? Oh, there we go. Now I like this 5-minute flag on ear. A dip of 270 again, and I'm in. As long as it doesn't pull back too aggressively. Even the 2.8. What does the daily look on this one? This one has room to keep going today. If it stops again, you have to go. Yeah, yeah, I'd be careful. If you're having issues, I'd be careful. You're pretty strong downtrend. Very tight. BWB also, I mean, BWB's held that low several times. And actually, this one's breaking downtrend too. Looking at BWB, broke downtrend as well and is starting to open up. $435 is the first candle making new highs, so maybe $435 starts squeezing, retest of $435, keep this momentum going. This thing gave us so many chances to buy a 5-minute flag and we didn't jump in on it. BW Zach is still holding from 4 a day. Good job, Zach. Zach again keeps killing it, man. Zach's about to get another dollar share. This thing is gonna go all the way up to $5. I want to catch a little bit of a flush on this thing. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. This thing is gonna rip all the way to 480. Lang, that was a good call. I'm in at $4. $4. Well, good job, Lang. Good job, Zach. You're downtrend as well. So both of them are kind of doing the same thing. Both of them are kind of doing the same thing, right? Ripped up, pulled back, kind of flagging, break a downtrend. And this is what I say. I mean, even if the stocks don't have to do with each other at all, just keep an eye on everything you're watching in that morning because everything is sympathy plays. So I would not be surprised if VWB rips up straight into a new high if EAR did the same thing. This is a new 5-minute flat 5-minute candle here on BWB. Check BBIG. Oh, BBIG new high. EAR broke downtrend and it's kind of trying to, I guess, retest it. Is that what it looks like? Kind of. See, it's these moves right here. This thing should rip, right? You broke downtrend. You have good volume on the way up. You already held kind of 2 pullbacks here. This thing should rip. I would be so surprised if this one just does not rip. Brad got in on EAR. Okay. EAR. I might also add down here to kind of retest that downtrend down there. And then, oh, but $3 was strong resistance. You know, if EAR goes back down to that 280, the ADMA on the 5 would catch up. BWB went. Looking for the break of 5 on BWB. Using that previous high as a pivot. Looking for the break of 5 on this thing. Break of 5, there it is. Well, that right there was back to my good old roots of a breakout trade. So I joined you guys there, but holy crap, you guys did it again. You guys did it again. Lang and Zach, a round of applause for you guys. $1 move, bro. You guys are insane. And I made the call, and I once again did not take it. Okay, ear. Well, I guess I'm not taking credit of it. You guys took the trade. Good job, good job. I'm not saying you jumped in just because of me. I'm sure you guys were watching it too, but good job, guys. Good job. Crazy, crazy. Exactly from $4 to $5. BBBY came all the way back. Dude, honestly was like, if BBBY pulls back down to those lows of yesterday, like 1820, I might just buy something. Is it halted up? Is BBBY halted up? It is. It's halted up. Good trade, Lang. Good trade, Zach. And then Ear is also kind of doing the same thing down here. Retested that downtrend, holding it. Actually, that's where I wanted to buy the 283. Added BWB for the bounces off 450. Okay, okay, watching, watching. I like that 280 where that 80 MA is. Zach got his full dollar a share and he's out. Alright, Ear making a new 5-minute flag. If it dips back down to the 280s, 283s, I might jump in on this one. BBBY halted. Yeah, I saw that. 5-pound Fisher. Fisher? Yeah, 5-pound Fisher outdoors. Here goes Ear setting up another retest of that 280 down here. There's that 280 that I wanted. There's the 280 that I wanted on this one. Look at that dip buy, guys. Let's go! Holy moly, bro. I sniped that entry. I'm pulling a Zach, bro. Wow, a lot of sellers right under 3, though. Bro, I sniped that entry. Mercy, you got it too? I said 280, guys, and I got in at 280.99. Man, too bad if this one doesn't work out for us, Mersa. And then Zach always gets the one that moves $1 a share. But I'm still in here. I'm still in here. I took some out, and I'm holding 1,500 shares at break even. So I want this thing to get over $3, and I think over $3 we can get that move. I want to get $3 hold. I want to get a $3 break and hold. This looks pretty strong up here, but here we go, here we go. That $3 is strong resistance, so Kyrian just sold. Kyrian, you're selling and it's going against me because you're selling, bro. Gonna start entering into some BBIG flag. I'm still holding down here at 280 with a stop right over break even. We had 2 or 3 attempts at $3 break, so I do not feel bad letting this one go. Right here, I think both of these 2 attempts were kind of an attempt to break $3, even get close to $3, especially after that big old bounce. I mean, this thing dipped down there. I was able to buy and just ripped all the way up. I think this should have been one of those where it just instantly goes away too right there, over 3 at least. Sell, bro. I did. I mean, that helped me out. I was up like 270, and I'm up to 500 on this one. And BWB up to 186 there. JCSC, $20 there. BBIG flag. I do see this one as well. I do see BBIG. Oh, you guys already added down there. I'm late to the party, bro. I think it might go to like 350 area on ear. I don't doubt it still. I don't doubt it. Andres added on BWB. BBIG, here would be the place to re-add again, right? You guys are wizards, man. You guys are wizards, man. That VWAP was a perfect entry. I once again, look at that, have a stop in place and letting the stock run and do its thing for me. Again. I think you guys are in it again, right? Hey, I'm trying to start trading. Any tips and advice? BBBY is unhalted. BBBY, reclaim that downtrend. That uptrend break, John, that I told you. Did you see that downtrend, that uptrend break on BBBY and look at the bounce on it now? So watch this. I said draw this uptrend here, right here, with pre-market, yesterday's sell and pre-market, and then watch that uptrend. And look at this, halted right over it, pulled down to it, held it, body candles closed right above it, and then rips. Look at BBIG, guys. Who else? Who is in BBIG that we all called it again? I'm in it. I think Mercer's in it. I think Zach is in it. Blair is in it. Dang, guys, that's like what 3 for 3 today for us. Zanaku, any trait. I want that high a day. Sniper traits is also in. We're all in this thing, guys. I have 1,000 shares riding it from 148. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Kyrian. Yes, sir. Or you guys have stop under at break even, above break even. Where do you guys have your stop at? Good job, Blair. Good job, Blair. Break even for you. Okay, okay. We're gonna. Oh, Sanako. I keep forgetting. Trying to start trading. Any tips? My first tip would be open a broker account and just watch the markets every day. If you can deposit any money enough for the simulator trading, then do that. And then watch how we trade. Watch how my team and I trade. How I trade live. And then watch the market on your own. And then paper trade. And then at the same time, just keep learning on the side, right? So keep learning. Watch YouTube videos. My course is out now, so some of these things, even the swing trade that I took on SPY, I explain how to break those down on my course. All the strategies that I'm trading here are on my course as well. So if you want that, let me know. Slow grind to $2 would be nice. I'll take it. I'm hoping this one doesn't just flush on us though. I need this one to take off like that. Like that. Rip all the way to 160. Rip to 160. Rip to 160. Come on. Get through this pivot here. Any of y'all taking partials out? Or are we holding? Are we diamond hands this thing? Are we diamond handing this thing? Is that at least 1.9 gap to the spot? Let me see. Oh, actually, you're right. This thing does have a gap to 1.9. From 158. Oh, that's where it's getting stuck out right now. The gap fill. Right there. That's where the gap starts at 158. BBIG's on your shit list so you don't trade it. Along with what? VRU and Sega? Right next to Sega and VRU? Blair's selling out. Okay, okay. John said yes. I have a stop right over right at 150, I think. 150 exactly. Yeah, yeah. KR is moving. That was one of yesterday's stocks too, right? KR no, KIRK, sorry, Kirk. This one is moving. Yesterday's high is still there. 657 is a high from yesterday on Kirk. This one still has room. Still has room, still has room. I'm gonna replace INKT for this one. BBIG, I'm still in. I'm still in. Ape Trades is back. There goes ear as well. You basically got robbed. Yeah, that does kind of suck. So we got BWB, the BWB 5-minute chart. I will say this one looks a little worse. You got that big topping tail when you hit that $5 mark and rejected, and then ear as well. On ear, you just try making that push to $3, right? I took the entry right here and took some profit there and stopped out somewhere through here. Actually, I had my stop under these candles. How did I get stopped out? How did I stop out? I had my stop right under those candles. Kirk, whoever's calling out Kirk on YouTube. Um, I think Kirk might be flagging. I think Kirk might be flagging. Your entry on Kirk could be that 590s level, and you're looking for 657 on this thing. Yeah, 158 on BBIG. I might even cut this one out, or at least increase my stop. We've already double top 158, and that's the beginning of the gap. So if we don't break through that thing, we might not go anywhere. But if we break that thing, we might get a nice little pop. But I am watching Kirk. Kirk to me looks like it wants to flag. You guys like Kirk? Look at it pulling back here. Oh, JCSC also climb back up. JCSC climb back up. 310 is pivot on that one. So break and hold 310. We were looking at getting the move back up to 322 high. I'm not gonna lie, Kirk looks beautiful to me. So BWB and EAR, both of them kind of look choppy now. BBIG, I stopped out of that play now. I don't think there's a reason to stay in on that one anymore. I mean, this one green candle didn't even have that much volume on the push back up. Kirk though, Kirk down here looks pretty good. Yeah, forget about Kirk. Ape Trades was right. Still holding BBIG. I lost 30 on that one. 40, 36. BBIG. BBIG still holding though. And then JCSC was the one that we were probably looking at, but pulled back pretty aggressively. Oh, and then it just ripped. 310 is a nice pivot on JCSC. Would I trade Saba? $27. Dang, it's breaking out on the daily from that previous pivot, which was like 27.40. I guess it's just now breaking out of it. I ain't can T double halted up and then just flushing all day. I hope we're not back to that stupidness. It's kind of Seagate. Yeah. So far, negative 800 for the day. Took some nasty hit on ear. Dang. It's alright. It's alright, Sniper Trades. It's not a bad day for you. Not a bad day for you. Actually, I don't even remember last time you had a red day, so you're good. You're good. Darth Trader. Wow, somebody's name is actually Juanito in here? Or you can just type whatever you want. Hey, there we go. Wait, when did you buy it, though? When did you buy that, Darth Trader? You can type whatever. Okay, I see. We nailed some trades today, Darth Trader. We nailed some trades. Oh, you bought it yesterday. Good job, man. Good job. Dude, I am still holding my spy puts. I am not. Where's my thing? Here it is. BWB doesn't look bad. It needs volume. Yeah, you're right. Dude, one of you got. Oh, yeah, Lang and Zach. Alright, here, Darth Trader, watch this. I called this trade right here. I jumped in it and I took my profit. Lang and Zach took this trade. I don't know if somebody else did. Maybe Mersa, Sniper Trades, Blair. I don't know who else. Ape Trades. They took this, but I took my profit here. It came back down to that level. They stayed in it and they bought here at $4 and sold right here at $5. They got $1 a share, and then we went over to EAR. We went over to here and we literally sniped this entry right here. I got exactly filled right there. Perfect dip buy. And then we went over to BBIG and we nailed this one together again. Bro, that's 3 for 3. Are you kidding me? I had EAR at 283 and then price went up to 304. I could have sold some but wanted more. Was waiting for it to break 317 and pump to 340. Yeah, on EAR. Yeah, I had this one. When I saw the tape here on these two candles trying to get up to $3 and get heavy, I decided to cut that one. Also, if you go back and watch this video, look at the way this candle bounced. It dropped down and this candle was all green, 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 straight up buying pressure. This thing should have ripped through 3, or this next candle should have ripped through 3. So the fact that this one was so pressured buying, and then this one instantly got red and rejected, and instantly got red and rejected, I could tell this one was heavy. Bro, what the heck? This girl on TikTok just asked the same question. Asked the same question on like half of my videos. Saba. Oh dang, John. Let me go back in time. 5 minutes ago, would you trade Saba? Yes. Put your full account on it right now. My head hurts. Any of you guys get headaches pretty often? Any of you guys get migraines? I kind of want to reload BWB. Your head hurts too? Bro, these markets give us a headache, don't they? I don't know how much I'm up today. It's a decent day. Decent day so far, decent day so far. I think I took all green trades but that last one on Kirk. Oh wow. That is not a nice number. That is not a nice number. I'm up $666. JCSC wants that 310 pivot. If you, yikes, better scalp something to change that number. Throw a stick on the hood of your car. How do you want it? Medium rare, rare, cooked, well done? How do you want it? You gotta let me know though. Hey, Ape Trades, you're red 3 days in a row. Today doesn't count if it was an internet issue. You got it, you got it. There's some nasty cedar in Central Texas. Why are the markets down today? Any reason or just natural profit taking pullback? I think natural profit taking pullback. Looking at SPY, I think it's just part of the markets moving because I was able to take that trade based off technical analysis yesterday. Those SPY puts are still up 103%. And somehow the other ones, so I told you guys, so I took the trade on SPY. I've been looking for this pullback. I took it the first time a little too early. I took it right here. I don't think I top ticked that one, but I top ticked this one here. And these were negative yesterday, and these are the ones that are up 100% now, and these are green now, but these were negative like $100, $150, but these are green now. Yeah. Sava is still moving, man. Oh, Sava is taking off. Sava is going to the moon. $200 on Sava. There you go. Good job, Kieran. Yeah, the only one I'm keeping a close eye on right now is JCSE. JCSE. CGC showed up on Momentum Scanner. What is this? CGC also slow grinder one. Everything pulled back. Stormy, watch out. Juan, did you ever play around with bracket orders? No, I did not. I forgot. I forgot honestly. You guess you don't like discounts. That's me though. That's exactly me. Sniper trades. That's why even now I still kind of do it, not trying to, but in my mind I know I'm like not comfortable with dip buys, and so for example, let's see. Watch. I guarantee you I did it today. Hold on, I want to show something. Oh, I didn't do it that much this time. But I was going to say, in my mind, I feel so much more comfortable taking a breakout that I play those aggressively. So right here for breakout of that $3, 2,500 shares up here, breakout. And then when I get to the dip buys, I usually slow it down. But this one I took at 2,500, so I guess I'm working on it. I'm getting comfortable with those things. But that's just how I am. See, I did it again here, 1,500 for the breakout. When this one should be smaller size, relative speaking, right? Breakout trade should be smaller, and the dip buy you should be playing this one a little more aggressively. But it just can't click in my head. JCSE still wants that 310 pivot. I'll look at it, Lang. I'll look at it. I'll look at it today. I'll try to look at it today. I'll try to look at it today. Cause that would be nice, where you put like that $4 dip buy, just put the $4 trade on there and leave yourself already a certain amount of profit or loss, and there you go. I like the dips better because the risk is clear. Yeah, I like the dips better because I think eventually I can play those a little more aggressively, right? Like on BWB, I could have an order sitting there at $4 for, 30, 20,000 shares, right? All in this area, accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. As opposed to this trade, I can't buy 20, 30,000 shares right here. That's too risky, right? I can't take that. I can't take a trade through $5 right here. Look at $5. If I would have taken a trade here, 20, 30,000 shares at 490 to the rip through 5, yeah, I got the 17 cents. But if I didn't sell, I'm down all the way to 450, right? Here, I could put a stop 10 cents and allow 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. But I can let that thing bounce and pick up shares. As long as it work, as long as it work. There you go, Blair. Find out what you're good at. What is Saba doing still? Why is this thing riding? Why is this thing flying so much? Bro, I remember this stock used to be cheap. Look at my 4-hour time frame on Saba. Look at my lines. That means I used to trade in the $6, $8, $10, and this thing came off of $62. When did that happen? I have to look at this. Wow. I used to trade it down here. Look at that. That is crazy. This thing has a giant downtrend. That is crazy. Delete all these things. CGC. I'm good at calling out tickers that fly sky high, but I never take positions in them. We taking this JCSC? I don't know, man. This thing is not exploding. Look how slow it grinds up to 310. Juan, how do you delete those lines so fast? You click on it and click delete on your keyboard. Click on it and then click delete on your keyboard. Don't tell me you of all people did not know how to delete a line. Are you kidding me, Ape Trades? Ape Trades knows all the secrets to Thinkorswim and he did not know how to delete a line. Oh, you're right about that one, Darth Shredder. I could have done that too. You're right. Lang is in on. Oh, okay. Lang is in on at $3 on JCSE. Tamer Mercy, are you watching me live right now? I got your subscription. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Is there YouTube? How many people I got on YouTube? 60. How you guys doing on YouTube? VRU. Jesse, are you still holding VRU? Oh wow, VRU came from 2 cents of breaking an all-time high. So JCSC, I do not like that rejection up there, and it looks like Saba is taking most of the Rodrigo, good bro, enjoying the stream. Appreciate it, Rodrigo. Appreciate it. Looks like the only play right now is JCSE, and it looks like Saba is taking all the attention. Saba is the one that's ripping through these levels. Look at this thing. But I mean, where's your entry? I mean, you could find like 1 minute pivots here, here, right? But I mean, look at this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candles on the 5 minute. As a matter of fact, can you buy puts on this thing? You can. Who wants to short Saba with me? Holy crap, these things are expensive. Yeah, I'm not shorting this thing. There goes JCSE. 322 high on JCSE, 323, there we go. Where can we be looking? This is a dead cat bounce, so this one has room. 360 is my first level that I have on this thing. That's pretty high. Took a very small ad down there. This stock is not quite ripping or like having the volume that I want it to when it's breaking highs. So I'm not that comfortable on this one. I'm out. I don't like that thing. I don't like this choppiness. Oh wow. Well, there you go, Lang. I was like, I don't like this choppiness, and then it ripped as soon as I sold. I bought Neat. I bought it down here. Well, now it rips. Holy crap. I missed that one. Wait, which one are you holding, Sniper Traits? Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right. CGC. What is CGC at now? $4. What did you buy in on this stock at? BBIG holding level and confirming. Oh, I see. You have 8,300 shares at 230. What the heck? As a matter of fact, look at this curl back up on CGC right now. JCSC, I missed that play, man. I was in it. Small share size, but I sold right before that push. I'm up near 8K on it. I'm holding for long term, looking for it to hit 25 and break out stabilization. Yeah, that's crazy. JCSC, we're looking for dips. Oh, 350 is next now. This thing had a clear repivot of 322. Holy crap, and I missed this thing. 350 break. Looking at 350 break here on this stock. Nasty flush. Nasty flush after 350 rejection. But does it recover and hold this pivot here of 320s? Does JCSC recover this and put more shorts in danger for a 350 breakout? I want this candle to close here, maybe bounce again off 330s, 334-ish, and then curl back up for that 350 break. Let's see this to see this. Looking for the 350 break. Did not get in anywhere though. Have not gotten in yet. I might. I can't take that. That's too risky of a play. Yeah, this one 350 are in shorts. There you go, Blair. Small share size, $94. That's a lot. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, I saw 363 on the daily on this one. So that's the target that I had, but never got in on display anywhere. I missed this retest. I never saw it. That would have been the place to add. And then the other place to add was where I added over here, but I never held those. But it was pretty choppy back there. I mean, it's getting a little bit more volume now, so it's moving a little nicer. But this thing looks, it doesn't rip through levels. It kind of just goes like this, you know, and I don't like the stocks that do that. Yeah, I see that. You guys, if you guys took this, good job. I see some of you guys were calling it on YouTube, but you unfortunately did not take it. So good job, guys. But hey, guys, I'm gonna call it Blair. There you go. Turn off your computer, Blair. Turn it off. Unplug it. Unplug it. Turn it off. Kill the switch in your home. Flip the switch in your home. Turn it off. Throw your charger out the window. If it's a PC, throw your outlet out the window. I know you, Blair. I know you, Blair. Turn it off. Turn your switch off at home. Turn your charger out the window. Alright, JCSE. We saw big resistance at 350. So what are we doing now? Is there really nothing else moving but this one? What did Sava do? Oh my god. Hey Karen, do you regret selling Saba? Cause holy crap. Why is this one rallying? See you all. I see that red trading is hard to break. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I don't know where you bought it, but dang, this thing is up dollars. I'm not great today. Good job, good job. JCSE man wants to reclaim this 334 back up to 350 on JCSE. Oh, big ol' pop there. I have an order ready at 351 for a quick scalp on this thing if it breaks it. But man, 350 is strong on this thing. As soon as I saw that big pop all the way back up, I quickly typed my order right up there. I want to see if this, as a matter of fact, now I'm going to anticipate it with this pullback here. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Here's a break of 350. I have, there it is. We're looking for that squeeze, or looking for that squeeze after this break. Hasn't squeezed yet. There it is. There's a squeeze. You can, there it is. You see how that candle doesn't rip first, but it hovers there. It hovers there. It wants to go. It wants to go, but it doesn't yet. The runners do be running. Oh, you still have Lang? You still wait from $3? You still have some from $3? Good trade, Lang. I'm waiting for SPY to take out loads of pre-market and this thing to dump. Look at this thing. SPY. I am waiting for this thing to take out the lows right there, 425. And if this thing takes out 425, you're going to see this thing just drop. Right through here. If we take out 425 on SPY, I expect that thing to dump. BBIG. Somebody was calling out BBIG earlier. Bro, what the heck? It's alright, Sniper Trades. It's alright, man. Your accuracy and your winning percentage is pretty good, so just shake it off, shake it off. You know how to handle it. You know how to handle it. You know how to handle it. BBIG trying a nice little curl back up. Ear also kind of found a bottom at 250s on ear. Still watching it. Guarantee you Sava's probably ripping through another high. Kind of, yeah, it is. There's another nice little 1 minute pullback there. BBIG is kind of trying to get back in play, so gonna keep an eye on BBIG. You know I'm losing when I'm trading too much. Is that the level that you had, Zach, on SPY, that 425 where I'm looking at? Because I'm waiting for that thing to crack 425 to the downside. You know I'm losing when I'm trading too much. So right, Sniper Trades, call it a day then. You've made pretty good money. 1100 is not a bad day for you. Just don't make it bigger. Ow. What are we thinking on BBIG? Retest of VWAP again. Pull back buy. Oh, I see that, Zach. Hopefully it's to the downside. Hopefully to the downside. If you want to buy Sava, holy crap! I mean, you'd be looking at the ADMA touch again, down to $30, 30.60s. I think this thing is pretty risky up here. BBIG though, BBIG, if volume comes in heavy, I'll jump back in on GCAC 351. BBIG, maybe a retest of VWAP on this thing. You know, kind of if you draw a line here. Oh, frick. Kind of a zone here. You can see, right? Resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support here. On BBIG, I'm liking this BBIG pullback here. Give me a flush to like VWAP and I might get in. And the volume is there too. This candle. Come on, I'm looking at BBIG back down to like 148-ish. What the heck am I listening to? BBIG, BBIG, come on, pull on back for us, pull on back for us. BBIG. This, oh my god, look at Kirk. Big old rejection off that lows. Anything you guys are looking at that I'm not seeing? I am not seeing anything else anymore. Kirk is making a little bit of a push back up, but it's still way under VWAP. BBVY kind of consolidating, kind of making a pennant actually on BBVY. BBIG, I was looking for a pullback to VWAP, but I'm not even seeing buyer step in here at all. I think BWB was a big play for all of us today. BWB, y'all guys nailed it for another $1 a trade. That was crazy right here. That was a good trade, guys. Let me see. So BBIG is still consolidating right here. EAR's trying to come back. BWB also holding lows. I tried telling you guys on BBIG, dip down to VWAP and I'm in. I got in. At down there at 148. There we go, sniper traits. See, look, this is the one I should have taken with 2,500, 5,000 shares. I mentioned the zone here, and I mentioned if it drops down to that level again, I will get in. So, zone here, right? Look at the zone. Hopefully this time it squeezes. If not, then that's okay. Break even trade again for me. Zone. Oh, that's too high. Resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support. Looking for this thing to crawl back up again. I am looking for, I know, man, I do the same thing and you feel like shit afterwards when you don't go in full share size on a nice entry. Yeah. It's ridiculous. I just can't believe I keep, Vic, did you, how are you doing today? I think I saw earlier you were down 400. How are you doing now? Are you catching yourself though? Are you realizing that you're chasing things? Minus 900, dang. So are you revenge trading then? Are you revenge trading, just trying to find a trade, just trying to get some profit back? I'm looking for BBIG to open up, man. We did have to break a downtrend too. Break a downtrend, that was kind of the first pullback down, so okay. Now let's break out of this thing. Why is there 172 on the ask right here at 153? Why? Why is there 200 now? Okay, down to 160, 119. Broke. And then there's another 200 stacked up here. Yeah, I definitely revenge trade it. JCSC at VU up right now if buyers are interested. Oh, I see it. I'm still watching BBIG as I am in on this stock. Currently up another $60, but there is a lot of shorts in this thing. Sniper Trades, did you take that VWAP bounce on JCSC? Because it instantly bounced back up again too. I have not sold any of BBIG. Dang, JCSC bounced nice. So, let me look at JCSC with that clean bounce. You got back in at 315. Oh wow, that bounce was clean, but then rejection was ugly. There you go, John. John is I still think Vera loading up. VRU, another dip buy down here on VRU too. Oh, SPY, come on. SPY, look at this. Come on, come on, come on. Crack this thing and just dump. You're right there. Look at this. There it is. Dump, 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 dump. Dump. Look at this clean retest here on SPY right there. And watch this. Retest here. And then the continuation down. It's the same thing in large caps and small caps. I'm looking for SPY to keep on dumping. I forgot about BBIG. I forgot I had BBIG. BBIG needs to break the wall here at 154. Right here, look at 154. 321 plus 211 plus 77 plus 29 plus 26 on the ask. What in the world? If this breaks this level here, guys, BBIG will rock it. $155 has another like 700 on the ask. Why is there so many people backing down this stock? You guys are still in on JCSC. I honestly don't know if BBIG can take out so many shorts or so many sell orders. That's ridiculous. But somebody's buying them. Somebody's taking level by level. JCSC, where'd you guys get in? 315. Downtrend on this one too, so watch for that. Watch for the break of downtrend on JCSC. And look at SPY. Did I not say that was a retest? I don't care if it's not dumping. You could have had a clean retest there from 425.60s down to 425.40s. Quick 50% on that SPY put. There you go, Zach. Don't you be going to options though, Zach. We need you in this chat. We need you in this chat. We need somebody to keep bragging dollar share moves. JCSC stop at 299, holding, no hoping. BWB still trying to make a little comeback still. There goes JCSE a little bit, trying to break that downtrend. BWB is also climbing back up. BBIG is still holding up. BBBY holding 25 like a champ. So JCSE couldn't break that downtrend. Watching BWB chrome back up over VWAP, but I don't know that volume is there on this one again. And then I am still holding BBIG. I'm still holding BBIG above break even stop, but this thing has so many shorts. So honestly, I would not be surprised if I take a loss on that one. I think still veer loading up. Okay, can break the high of day. JCSE can break high of day. Yeah, it can. 3.6. It needs to break that downtrend real quick. 350 is thick, and there is little volume on JCSC. Yeah, you got a lot of spikes up there. You could even do this like this too. Downtrend that way. So looking at like that, because that's kind of just a random spike, but all of these are still touching that downtrend. BWB got over VWAP and retesting it here. Could this be a possible small little scalp? Following volume increasing up to VWAP, pulling back down to VWAP here, maybe small trade. I don't know. God, my head is still hurting. It ain't gonna go away. What does Sava do? Oh, maybe I should have bought those puts on Sava. Oh wow. Remember somebody asked me for a dip on Saba? I said 30, 65-ish, 67. This is 30.67 right there, where it consolidated for a little bit. So that could have been a nice try. I mean, you might have taken some profit if you sniped that bottom, but there's no way you can do that on the stock. That would have been insane. I mean, it went right down to 30.60s. And that's because that EMA was right there and that previous pivot on the 5. So you could have taken trades there, and if it would have worked out, you would have gotten a very nice trade. If not, you put your stop right under, take a small hit. But that was pretty crazy. CGC, nothing yet. BBIG ending at 148 and looking to put 130 at stop. I hope it doesn't go there. BBIG, man. BBIG had so many shorts. If you saw it behaving through here, it was stacked at like 150 with like 600 on the ask, and then broke it 154, 600 on the ask again, 155, another 600. That was a lot of people on the ask. Ear is also trying to come back. JCSC here. Ugh. Volume is dying, dude. Always, Dan, cannot close above downtrend. Watch the volume. I mean, you do have uptrends, so if you're buying this dips here and this dips here, that's a good thing. But always, you want volume ramping up, right? You want volume going up as price goes up. And look at the 5-minute. Volume is actually decreasing. So I don't like that for now. It's not like this, right? Watch this move here, and then even this tiny volume down here. Tiny volume, but look at it. It's still going up every single time as that price is going up. Now price is going down. and volume has been slowly decreasing every single 5 minutes. Looks like EAR and BWB are moving together today. Whatever one does, the other one does. Look at them. Charts look identical. Oh, there goes JCSC. Wow, I was just saying this one might not do anything. Retest of that downtrend that I have. Why did you fill me so high, stupid thinkorswim? Oh, look at ear. Look at ear, guys. Ear retest of 280 again. That same trade we took earlier, maybe. Don't tell me ear wants to make one of those super strong breakouts and just rip. Why don't you use Lightspeed? Commissions, bro. Commissions are so bad on Lightspeed. I tried it, and man, they eat you up fast. I am not kidding. Those commissions on Lightspeed. Looking at ear, man. Ear back up to $3. Ear $3. We couldn't get it over $3 earlier. We're kind of far off though, so we need volume to come in back on ear, back up to $3. And then JCSC, man. JCSC, that break of downtrend looks a little better. To take some ads down here and then squeeze to new high. Five-minute went from bad to good, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect it. I mean, volume was lower and it's decreasing, and stock somehow decided to do make a move. 350 retest maybe, but this candle has to have good volume, close high. Show strength on this candle. There we go. My order never got picked up. My order never got picked up there. I was looking for a quick scalp, had an order ready at 351. It had jumped down to 351 and I didn't fill any shares. Gulab Singh, do you use Lightspeed? Does anybody use Lightspeed in here? I don't think anybody here uses Lightspeed. Sniper Trade's still in here. BBIG pulling back. BBIG holding 148 actually. Ear though, Ear's the one that I'm interested over 3. And then our high is 317. And where does this thing have room to? 317 isn't. What is 317? No, that's 329. Ear straight up to a new high, dude. Ear retest of 3 and I'm in. but strong volume. Keep this volume up. Keep this volume up. I can't see. I have so many lines on this thing. Okay, 10 seconds left on this candle here on ear. JCSC did break a high. Good job if you stuck that out. Good job, good job. Dang it, I hesitated on that $3 touch there. It took me so long to figure out where ear's going. 337 is that next pivot, and then 200 moving average at 370. 370. Okay, so ear's got some room. Ear's got some room. Big old squeeze there. Looking for 317 to hold. Looking for this thing to curl to 337. $337 target on ear. Man, I wish I was in on this thing heavy. $317, and I might get in on this thing again if it even dips down that low. I don't know that this thing will. But this is putting shorts in danger. This is putting shorts in danger. They got to cover through all this move here. Here's that 317. I wish I would have added here on this one though. No way, dude. There goes all my profits for today. There goes all my profits for today. I think I'm still green, but dang, there goes the majority of my chunk today. Golab saying I'm not profitable. Yeah, you got there, man. You'll get there. You'll get there. How did that thing just flush so hard when shorts were in danger, man? Dang, that one stings a little bit. Let me see. Unfortunate. Unfortunate there. Unfortunate. No, you're good, guys. You're good, guys. It's part of trading. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm up $300 now. Hey, I'm still green. I'm still green. I gave back like 500 there, and I'm still up 300. So I was getting up from it. I was making some more money on the day. So still up 300. And BBBY. Look at BBBY. Ape Trades is burning yourself. Hey, Sniper Trade's only down 500 now. Wait, you bought the dip from 3? I think that was, I think that was too much of a pullback, but getting that dip there was nice. I just 337 was the next resistance on this thing on the daily, and we never, or I guess we, in this scenario we did get to it, but I was kind of almost looking for a break of that up to 370. Bro, BBIG held at 148 like a champ too. Kirk is still coming back, and then BBBY is coming back. So watching those two now. Manny, bro, what's up, Manny? What's up, Manny? What you got? This is part of day trading. This is part of day trading. I rode BBIG down from $2. You're averaging down. BBIG getting squeezed between up and down trend. On this one, I had no time to react. I mean, the second I bought it here, it flushed. I had no time to take profit. I don't think my P&L ever showed green on this thing. So there was almost literally no way I could have avoided that one. Which is okay. I mean, it just unfortunate flush. And honestly, I missed my entry down here at 3. That's the one I really wanted at $3 down there. That should have been the first entry, and I should have ridden it up instead of trying to catch that first pullback to consolidate and then rip. So you were down 6,300. Dang, Manny. Dang. Good job though. Way to hang in there. Way to hang in there. Dang, bro. I got smacked. Spy by the dump again. I'm still watching it. It's still hovering around that 425. That it does look like a little flag to me too, though. Looks like a bear flag to me. So BBIG is make it or break it. BBIG is either buyers win or sellers win. Look at this. Now I don't know that there's what else is there to trade. Sava completely failed. CGC hovering over VWAP actually for you sniper trades on this one. Kirk was looking nice if it got over that $6 back up because this one has a high of 657, which is right there. JCSC still in play in your opinion? Ear straight up flushed on me, gave back like $450 on this thing. Glad I'm still green, but that might be just a sign to say, you know what, just be grateful you're still green on this and then get out before you go red. So I might do that. Definitely sucks though. Let me see. look at my P&L chart today. I was up 700, and then boom, fell off a cliff. Went skydiving. Here, oh, it shows it separate. So I was up 450 on it, and I lost 405 on that one trade. So 4, 5, 6. Yep. Try JCSE. Let's see. Is that something attached to Thinkorswim Hunt? No, it's not. It's it's TraderView. It's a completely different company software platform where you can import your trades at the end of the day. Pretty easy to do. You just like 3 clicks on Thinkorswim and you're there. Already saved the file, and then you just upload it to that one. And I think it's worth it. You track all your stats. It tells you everything. And I think I just paid for it. I think it was like $25. I think that's what I paid. Let me check. $29. $29 a month. A month. So $30 a month to do that. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright guys, I think I might call it off for that, giving back $400 there. I might still trade, but I'm going to take a little break. My head is still hurting. I might eat something real quick and then come back. So if I am trading, I will be on my Discord. If you guys need my Discord, let me do it again. I should have this link ready. I should have this link ready at all times now instead of having to generate a new one. Invite people, edit the invite. Alright guys, so I'm going to call it for today, but if you guys want to jump in on my Discord, if I am still trading, I'll text it on there. I'll text it on there, and I know a lot of the guys are still trading Hangout in there, so here it is for YouTube, and here it is for Tradecaster if you're new here. There's my Discord, no charge, everything is free there. If you have any questions, just want to talk, want to chat, go ahead and join the Discord, let us know what you got. Other than that, guys, I will see you back tomorrow. Unfortunate last minute trade, but I just got to take my profit for now and keep it green before I go red and turn into a maniac and revenge trade, right? So JCSE might still be in play year after that rejection there. I'm not too sure. BWB still holding lows. BBIG, BBIG, I have a feeling is either going to flush or is either going to rip. This thing has buyers everywhere and sellers at 147.48 and sellers up at that 150, 155 area. Besides that, I'm not seeing anything else for now, unless anything pops into the momentum scanners, and then you can find some trades on those. And if so, I will call them out on the Discord. Alright guys, thank you all of you guys for watching. Guerrero, have a great day. All of you guys have a great day on YouTube and Tradecaster, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good one.